Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download Google Meets application on a laptop. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Google Meets application on your laptop or PC, you need to first download an Android emulator. In my case, I downloaded the BlueStacks 5 Android emulator. You can download almost any Android emulator that you find comfortable and simply open the Android emulator. Once you open up your Android emulator, simply go to the Play Store option and click it on. You might need to enter your Google account credentials in order to log into your Play Store with your BlueStacks Android emulator. But in my case, I'm already logged in, so I'll be redirected to this page quick and easy. Now in the search box that appears on the display, type in Google Meet and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search results. Click on the Install button right next to the application to start the downloading process. The downloading might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so be sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any kind of an application on your device. Once the download and installation is completed, click on Open in order to launch the app. Open. Select your Google account from where you'd like to log in. And click on Continue. Allow me to take pictures and record videos by clicking on Allow more access. And there you have been logged into Google Meets as well. That is how you can easily get Google Meet application on your PC or your laptop. All you need to do now is to open up your Android emulator and the application will be listed on the display. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.